Here we are on Moana Beach on the island of Oahu. This is some hardcore beach goers, bro. They came with this tent, right? I'm not joking, bro. They came with this tent and they set up. Then they went out. And then there's a couple of more of them in that Honda right there. They just went out bodyboarding. You see them right there? Bro, that's them. The bodyboarding in the water, but outside is not that windy, but I wouldn't say it's optimal swimming day here. But it is a really nice day to reflect and just enjoy this wondrous island that we live in that we take so much for granted. It's so beautiful and green. You watch tomorrow, bro. This park is gonna be green, like the emerald green. You see that? This is pretty cool. But yeah, hardcore, bro. A lot of Asians come here, and they're the only ones, bro, you gonna see swimming on one day like this. I'm not even joking, for obvious reasons. But for them, I guess it's kind of natural, yeah, to. It's cold all the time in Japan and it rains a lot. And I hope that's not what we're going to experience when we get there in a couple of weeks. Whew, man, praying about that, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. But Japanese, you can see, they're just at home in the water, man. It's just, I don't know. Local guys, we so super spoiled. You would never catch a local guy inside his water in the rain like this. Oh, yeah, you can see how the Japanese, they're very, very, they're not ashamed or afraid of cold water, bro. The water is freaking cold. But they weren't out long. They weren't out that long. They were out just for a short while. But I wonder who's the 10 people that I seen them going in there too. Oh, they're gonna go to the bathroom. See, Japanese people, they got class. They don't poop and piss in the water. They go to the bathroom. Okay. That's how it is. Japanese people are like super clean to the max. I think this is the 10 people one right here. The Japanese people in the tent. I guess I get where you go. Kind of funny how, you know, it's raining and then you're washing yourself off with fresh water. Yeah, that's the 10 people watch. They're going to the tent. You're gonna be here a while, bro. For them, this is the summer. Yeah, that is the 10 people I told you. This is a summer day, bro, for the Japanese people. Oh, bro, look at that. That's the Hawaiian one. Oh, man. You're getting these exercise, you know, Moana. It's the only local guy I see out there.